Sharing my screen. Hope you all opened the lab 2 solution that we did last time in last week. Does everyone have last week's solution open? If anyone needs the last week's solution, I can give you. I've already uploaded in the drive. Okay, and we will continue with lab 3, 75 from 75. Okay, now I think we are going to do the canvas background. So anyone any idea how we can do the canvas background? What is canvas background? Okay, I'll tell you. See, we are putting all these visuals on a canvas, on something called canvas. So this is the canvas is nothing but a page. Okay. So, if I select this one and try to change the canvas background, you cannot change it. So make sure you are clicking on the white space, and then you can go into the format. So I'm going to format. Now what it shows is shows all the format settings for this canvas or page or whatever you want to call. So here what you can do is you can see the page information. Page name is manufacturer, which is this one. You can either rename it from here, or you can come to the page information here in the format and then change the name. Okay. And you can change the page type as well. Page type can be either drill through or tooltip or standard. Usually most of the time it will be standard. And if you create a tooltip, then you will change that page type to tooltip. And if you create a drill through, then it will be that page type will be drill through. There are three types. Tooltip, I think we have something to create a tooltip. I think hopefully we'll do it today. Okay, so that is page information. And this is canvas setting. In the canvas setting, you can set the width and height of it. So here you have the normal TV screen or your monitor screen size and 4 by 3, or letter. Letter is usually like a portrait portrait size, and tooltip is again tooltip size is also there. And otherwise, if you don't want to use the standard ones, you can do a custom one where you can define your own height and width. Um, and based on that, it will be so 16:9 is this pixel, the 720 to 120. 720 is to 1280. Okay, so and also vertical alignment. Do you have vertical alignment or middle alignment? You can define that. So that is the canvas settings. And now because we are going to change the background, we have to go into canvas background. So canvas background, there are two ways you can change. You can change either the color. So if you change, like for example, this color, it is not affecting immediately. Why is that? Can anyone tell me? I asked this question, I think in the second week as well.
Somewhere apply.
No, no, not apply.
Transparency is 100%.
Yes. So change the transparency.
Mm-hmm.
So then you will get the exact color. If you say 0%, you will get the exact color. Otherwise, it will be lighter background than the color that you have chosen. Okay. So now um, I don't want to change the color as per the instructions. We have to choose something called background.jpg. background.jpg, which is in DIAD data folder. So let's go and find our data folder and then try and browse. So I'm just going to browse and then add the folder. So from data, I think, yeah, I have my background file and then I have added it. Can you also add your background to your pages?
Okay, where we can get that format?
It will be in date format here on the site. Can you see on the site? Or
It's
if you have visualization here, you will have three icons, the middle icon.
okay. Okay.
Middle icon, if you look at canvas background, I think the menu is similar. Canvas background and choose the image and then did you choose the image? And then don't forget to change the background, the transparency to 0%. And if you look at the background, then you will get an idea as to where to put things. See, this has these what do you call these demarcations where you can put your visuals. So for example, if I put this visual here, it is nicely sitting inside. And then I am going to put this one here. Adjust the visuals in such a way that they are nicely fitting into the background. Blending into the background.
From where
Indra
we
ma'am, can
get
you
this
please say it
image?
again?
Huh?
Indra ma'am,
Yeah.
can you please say it again?
Okay. So if you go into, did you find the format, this particular thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if you go there, are you seeing canvas background?
Yes, ma'am.
So here you there will be a browse button. So click on that.
Yeah.
And then choose your background.jpg, which is in data folder, which I
Okay.
sent you. You had the data folder, right? Where you
Yes.
had the international sales. Yeah. Choose that and then make sure your transparency is 0.
Transparency is 0. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then now can you see the background properly? Like here?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So now
Hi
yes,
Indra Garu.
Yeah.
I can't find the canvas settings.
Canvas settings. Okay. Do you have build or visualization here?
Sorry, where?
Here.
Visualization.
Okay. Then there will be three icons, right? Click on
Mhm.
the middle icon.
Yes.
And then you did
Format.
not select any visual, right?
Yes.
Did you select any visual? No,
No, I
right?
didn't
White
select any
space.
visual.
Okay, then you will find something called canvas background in when you click on the middle icon. Or page background, something.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, I got the background, ma'am. Next.
Okay, so transparency, did you
I kept it
How much?
0?
0.
0, right? Okay, if you
Yes.
put 0, then can you see this blue line and these
Yes, ma'am.
boxes?
Can
Yeah, so now adjust your visuals like how I have adjusted.
Okay, 1 second.
You can resize them, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, make sure your visuals are adjusted. So two here, two at the top, and the usually the ear one. If we drag it, and if that is visible nicely, then it will look good. Has everyone adjusted? I'll give you maybe 1 more minute, and then we can. Yeah, adjust your text box as well, maybe.
Are we making space to play with the canvas? These adjustments.
No, no, not space. We are trying to fit it in these boxes because the background has boxes, right? So those are the place holders for these.
Holders.
So at least for
Okay.
these four visuals, and then we will be adjusting uh, based on the instructions in lab 3 as well. Okay, done. Okay, let's now go proceed to 83. Okay. Okay. So what we need to do is we have to insert another image as well. So has everyone finished? If anyone has anyone did not finish, should I wait, or everyone finished? Looks like. Okay, now let's go and insert image. How do we do that?
Insert. Go to
Yeah.
the insert
Go to insert and
image.
image. Yes. Okay, so now there is something called Van Arsdale logo. So choose that and then open. It has given the logo, but you can't see it because it's in the white background because the logo itself is white. So what we need to do is maybe resize this manufacturer, and then where did my image go? Yeah, here. See, now you can see the logo. Can you? Okay, so do that same thing, and also make sure your manufacturer analysis that we have done, maybe change that font size to
20.
20 should be good. And then resize your so that it is coming into one line. Yeah. Yeah, I think now it is looking good. I will adjust this logo. Okay.
Ma'am,
Did it?
my logo color is not visible in blue color. It's like
No, no, no. What? it should be like transparent, then move it on to the blue, where there is blue, move it on to that, then you will get it. See, for
Okay.
example, if I move this one off, you can't see it, right?
Oh, yes. Yeah. Yeah.
So like that, you have to move it in there because it's a transparent one.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Just a little bit. Has everyone finished? Okay, let's, any questions?
Ma'am, can you show how did you add the image?
We go to insert and then image. Did you manage to do, Rakhi? Okay, now let's proceed. Okay, we have done the, okay, now what we need to do is in the manufacturer analysis as well, we need to disable the white one because it is not looking properly, right? See this one. So select your manufacturer analysis text box and in the format, go to properties and maybe advanced. We need to find the colors somewhere. Size and style. Yes. Open size and style. And here background is on. So we can just remove the background. Some of you may have different things, but is everyone seeing background there? If you are not seeing, you let me know.
I can't see, ma'am. Actually,
You can't see background?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share your screen? I just want to see what is.
Actually, ma'am, my team's in my mobile and I'm doing it in system.
Right. Okay. So what can you see?
I can share
Uh,
my screen. I also can't see. So I will share
okay.
my screen. It would be the
Sure,
same.
sure. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
this one is the same you
Yeah.
see?
Select that. Yeah. Yeah. Select that and go to effects. There is a
Effects.
effects,
Okay,
right?
effects.
Yeah.
Effects.
So can you also see the same thing, Durga?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
now go to background and switch that off. Switch the background off.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Also resize to 20. Manufacturer analysis resize to 20. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So now,
Stop
Dur
sharing.
yeah, Durga, are you okay?
yes, ma'am. I'm okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Now let's proceed again. Okay. Okay. Background is done. Okay, now 94 is first resize the sum of revenue. The bottom, add a smart narrative. Okay. So now we have, okay, now let's do this. Smart narrative visual. Okay. Now what smart narrative visual does is it's a sort of an AI visual. So maybe I'll just resize this one to, let's say, like this. And once smart narrative visual is something like it's an AI visual which summarizes what is happening here in the analysis, summarizes the analysis based on the visuals that are displayed here. So to add that in the visualization or build pane, you will see something called smart narrative. See, like this, it's called narrative here. So just click on that, and then it has added a narrative. Use Copilot to create. Yeah. Maybe we'll just go custom. So it's now generating. Click on custom, and then now it is generating. So it has now summarized what is happening here. So it's saying sum of revenue trended up 146.12%, while percentage growth is whatever. And then, so now if we look at, say, for example, if I click on, let's say, US, this automatically changes. See, now it has changed to growth 53%. USA had this much sum of revenue, and target goal is this much, where we added the target goal, remember? Yeah, that one. And if we choose 2021, the whole, this thing changes. All 7 countries, it should say, but yeah, across all 7 countries, sum of revenue ranged from. Yeah, so now it is showing Canada and all those things. So, okay, so come back to the normal one. And now, okay, I don't know how many of you can add custom visuals. Custom visuals require you to sign into your Power BI desktop. Have you all signed in?
While adding this
No,
frame,
ma'am.
it look
Okay. It should, if you are signed in, it should say your name like this. How many of you have signed in? And if you can sign in with your work account, not your
If you don't have any work account, ma'am.
then you can't.
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe just have a look at what I am doing. Who all don't have work account?
into here is a small problem. While adding the narrative
Mm.
visual, it
Mm.
loses that while adjusting the screen, it lost other previous visual.
I know what you have done. Okay. Can
It
you
must be lying somewhere in the
share?
behind the
Can you
canvas.
no.
Yeah.
Can you share? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, most of you don't have work email. Okay. No, what you did is Control Z, Control Z, Control Z done. I know what you did, because you must have chosen the narrative while selecting the other visual. That's why.
Replacing.
Replace it. Link of circle. Yeah. Now click on the white space and then click narrative.
Okay.
Okay. So click on custom. Yeah.
Okay. That changed that content changed to this one.
Because if you select a visual and then choose another visual, then the existing visual will change. So you need to be very careful.
Thank you.
Okay. Most of you don't have it, so let's yeah, let me just watch if you are not signed in. Okay, so get more visuals. You have to go ... and get more visuals. This is just showing the functionality of custom visuals. Custom visuals, what are custom visuals? Custom visuals are third-party visuals where you can use some of the functionality of third-party visuals. If you like, for example, if you like this kind of graph, Sankey diagram or super tables or whatever, you can use them. But these are not provided by Microsoft, because Power BI desktop is provided by Microsoft, but these are not provided by Microsoft. So some of the organizations, they don't allow you to use custom visuals because of some security issues. Unless they are endorsed or something like that, they don't allow usually. So this particular step is just to make you aware that there will be some custom visuals that you can make use of, um, without recreating the visual using some other means. So now the slicer that we want is, I think, dynamic slicer. It's called dynamic slicer. Yeah, this I think.
How do we get this page? Power BI visuals.
No,
where we
no.
need to
So
go?
I'll click see, in the visualization or build, there is a
Okay.
dot.
Okay.
So click on that and get more visuals. You can do this step, but it's going to say that you need to sign in. And then when I type in dynamic in the search box, because there are a lot of custom visuals, then you can take this one, play axis dynamic slicer. Can everyone see? Whoever can see? So who is using the custom visuals now? I think two of you are signed in. So Madhuri, do you have
No, I don't have a
Okay.
work email here.
Okay. So just watch. Okay. So now I have done the dynamic slicer. So I'm clicking on that. So any custom visual, what they do is, usually they provide their own sample file, which you can download and see how it looks. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go add, because that functionality we are going to see here anyway. So now see, it has added a import successful. So it has added a icon which is similar to these icons, the visualization icons. So now ensure that you are not clicking on any other visualizations, and then click on play axis. Now play axis, what the functionality is, see, these years are there, right? So it will show across the timeline, it will show you it's a sort of a, it plays you from 2014 to 2021, what kind of trend is there. So if you click on the play button, but before that, we need to add data to it. What kind of data should we add is the question. It depends on what we want the dynamic slicer to play. So here if we see play access, because I want it to play using date. So then we'll add the date, from the date table, we'll add the date. By having this clicked, this ticked, you click on the date. Now if we look at this, see, it is changing dynamically. You are playing it and then it is changing dynamically. See, it is changing 18, 19, 20. Yeah. And then you can change the settings also here. Let's look at the instructions. So date pane visualization, select format visual tab, and then colors, show all, enable the show all button. What are we saying? Okay. Next one is bookmarks. Okay. If you want to change the colors, you can change the colors as well. So see here, colors, show all. So you can choose you can choose, if you don't want this one, you can choose these colors, you can choose other colors as well. See, now it has changed the colors. Okay, earlier it was black, right? So I'm just renaming it. I don't want the title because I'm displaying the year here. Okay, I can put the title off. And also here, if you want, you can auto start once they um load the report, or you can also loop and then loop 2 times or something. And also this one is play milliseconds. You can increase that so that it plays a bit slowly. Okay, so those are the animation settings. Okay, so now let's go to bookmarks. Okay. What are the bookmarks that we are going to do? What is a bookmark? What is a bookmark? I hope you all have read books, right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Temporary pass or temporary pinning.
Not so much. See, when you are reading a book, you to mark that you put some bookmark so that you can go back and read it again,
Mm.
right? So something similar to that. So you are capturing the. No, you can't answer. Wait. Um, the currently. So you whatever. So for example, if you want to bookmark US sales, you can create a bookmark for that. And if you want to which once you create the bookmark, you can use it later on, so that it need not be created again and again and again. So that is the you are capturing the view that you want to show in the visuals. So once you do practically, then you will understand what I really meant. But for now, you just see that you just understand that we are creating a bookmark of a particular state of the report. Okay, so now let's try and first add the bookmarks and selection panes. Okay, for creating bookmarks, we need, so minimize everything like how I have done. Uh, yeah, I have minimized everything, right? Okay, so minimize that and then go to view and click on bookmarks and selection. Those are the two things that you would want to create. Has everyone added bookmarks, and can everyone see this one?
Repeat it again.
Yeah, Indu.
View, go to
Yeah.
view and make sure you add bookmarks and selection to your view.
The pane is added.
Added, right? Yeah, okay. That's what I wanted you to do. Okay. Now, okay, now let's go to what is the bookmark that is needed. Okay, let's quickly. Okay, so now we are not doing anything. We are just no selection anywhere. Make sure you don't have anything selected anywhere. And then just click add on the bookmark pane. Did everyone do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see bookmark 1?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Now just double click on that and rename it to initial state. Done. So far, okay. Okay. Next one is in the sum of revenue by country visual, select the USA column. Okay. Okay. Now let's do a USA revenue. Okay, so now everyone got this one, right? Initial state. Now just select USA column. And then after selecting, in the more options, there is something called spotlight. Click on spotlight.
Okay.
Now what you do is, now again add bookmark with the spotlight on.
Oh,
Okay. Now you call this as USA sales because we have sales because we have selected USA. Okay. Now, next one is select Australia. So I'm selecting Australia. It is still in spotlight view, I think. Yeah, spotlight is ticked. So it is still in spotlight view. Now again add another bookmark called Australia sales and then rename that as Australia sales. Do you all have 3 bookmarks?
pointer.
Okay, now okay, so what we need to do is okay, so now we are in initial state. USA sales. See, and then Australia sales. So can you see if you click on those, can you see the this thing changing? Okay. Now next one is
This is nice.
from the bookmarks. Exit to okay. Now what we will see is feel free to explore other options available with bookmarks such as there is selected visuals are also are there. That may be a bit advanced. Okay, now what we'll do is tab unselect bookmarks pane. Okay. Okay, now let's try and add bookmarks. Okay, now what we will do is go here. Now you can close the bookmarks and selection panes. Now what we'll do is we will add a bookmark navigator. Screen manager. Okay. Insert. If you go to insert, and then I think it's in the buttons. Yeah, it's in the buttons, navigator, bookmark navigator. Okay, go to insert, buttons, navigator, bookmark navigator.
It added three tabs. Yeah, okay.
See these ones. Okay. Okay. Bookmark navigator. It already added, right? So now, yeah, make sure that it is arranged like this. So let's do that. So I'm just going to take my sum of revenue there and then bring this down.
Ma'am, I didn't got this thing.
Okay. So go to insert.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should we
Are you
click
in insert? Are you
initial?
in insert? No, don't click on any visual, just on white space.
Okay.
Go to insert, and then here there is buttons, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Click on the drop down of buttons.
Yeah.
And then navigator, and then bookmark navigator. And once you click on that, here 3 buttons will appear. So drag it down and then resize it to look like this.
I can't see anything.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Okay, ma'am. You just continue. I'll share.
Mm. It's trying to resize. Okay, so next one, the buttons visual still selected. Navigate to format and fill color. Let's see, 40% light blue color. Okay. Let's go to format. So my format is here, but you need to select this one. So select that and then go to format. And then we need to color style maybe, not text. Fill.
Grid layout.
Grid layout, is it? With grid layout. Format style section, not
Style only,
grid
yeah.
layout. Yeah. Style and then fill.
Text.
Change the color of fill to light blue. %40 lighter. Okay, so that one. Make sure your transparency is 40% is set. Yeah, it depends. Whatever you want to do, you can do that. Not a problem. Okay, so that is how you can do the formatting.
ఇందు ఒక్కసారి చూపించరా ఫిల్ ఎక్కడుందో నాకు కనిపించట్లేదు ఫార్మాట్ నావిగేటర్ లో
Okay, so make sure you are selecting this, and in the style section, so style, fill.
యా ఓకే ఇన్ స్టైల్
Fill. Don't, okay, you might be having this. So just minimize that. Then you will see fill.
యా రైట్
And then change the color. Color to 40% lighter.
ఓకే ఓకే
Here, blue color. Whichever color you, up to you.
యా
Okay, so now I think we are still formatting. Shape drop down. Okay, rounded rectangle. We are going to do a rounded rectangle. 25%. Okay. So now minimize the shape, and minimize the style, and now expand the shape. From the shape drop down, you can go rounded rectangle. Okay, so see now these appeared as buttons, which is good. Okay. Durga garu చెప్పండి.
Can I share my screen now?
Yeah. I know what is wrong with your this thing. So you have that view recovered files. So click on that cross. Click on the cross. Yeah. Yeah, now you can see. No remove. Yeah, you don't have any, you don't need to. Yeah, just say okay. Yeah, and then resize it.
Okay, ma'am.
With
And then
my
continue
thing,
with the formatting. Yeah. What?
with my formatting,
Mm,
out of the 3 grids, the
Mm.
initial and US Australia,
mm,
only 2 grids got same color filling and the third grid got different color filling. I haven't done anything
Mm.
exclusive filling. I just chosen the normal fill.
Something you must have done. Okay, can you share? Let's see what you have done while Durga finishes the formatting.
Yes.
Okay, go to style. Minimize the text one. No, not text. You must have done something. Okay, text. Yeah. Okay, you have style, default, fill. Okay, and I think I know what happened. You must have. Did you select Australia sales?
Mhm.
Can you select? Can you click on USA sales?
Can I try Control Z and see? This is before filling and anything doing.
Why is your USA sales something different? Okay.
For me also same, but I removed and again I keep it that bookmark navigator, then it's changed.
Oh, no. I think yeah, something must have happened.
So shall I
Um,
delete and do?
Yeah, delete and do it. Because now it is showing at USA sales, right? Bookmark navigator. Twice. Just fill, yeah.
Now it everything got same.
No, but you change the color and then let's see. 40%. Okay. Yeah, that is okay. And if you go to shape,
Shape.
yeah.
This one.
No, yeah, go up in the format itself.
Okay.
Go up a bit. Minimize the style, then you will see shape.
Oh yeah, the first one. Okay.
Yeah. Change that to rounded rectangle.
Okay, yeah. The curve. Yeah. Okay.
Now is okay, right? Okay.
Mm.
Now, let's see solution.
I can stop sharing, right?
Yeah. Sure. Okay, so now, okay, now let's try and test the bookmarks, okay? If you click on Australia sales, is something happening? Just click.
Nothing
For me,
happening.
nothing is happening. It won't, if you are in the Power BI desktop, you can't just click. You have to control click. See, now it is happening. Control and click simultaneously.
Spotlight is working.
Now, if I click on US sales, initial state, it's happening. Okay. Now, if I control click on US sales, and if you want, I think, yeah, because it is spotlight, if you click outside, then it will come back to normal. Okay. Now let's go to save. That's it. Ooh, nice. Okay.
Indu ma'am, can I share my screen once?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
How to check the spotlight is working or not?
Okay, control click, control, and then click. Click, both should happen simultaneously. Yeah. And now you can, yeah, click on another. Okay. Is that all?
Yeah. ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
No worries. Okay. Now sharing again. Now let's save the file and then go to lab 4. Lab 4, I'm going to upload the file now so that you can. First, lab 4, I'll upload the. Publishing also, maybe some of you may not be able to do it, but let's see. Maybe you can publish, yeah, if you have your work account, then you will have, you can do publishing to my workspace, but let's see. Okay, so now I have this one. And did you all download the lab 4? I'm just going to open lab 4 now. See what's going to happen. Start with this lab. Okay, I need to provide you with DIAD final report. I'm just going to close this one. You all save and close that one. And then I'll upload the DIAD final report. Yeah, this one.
So we
Into
go ahead
reports.
closing solution.
Yeah, close whatever you have done now and download this DIAD final solution which is in reports folder. And now I'm opening that one. Okay, we can do a mobile view as well. Okay, so this is the layout of the market analysis. Did everyone download? Okay, did everyone open? Okay, so now let's try this one. Okay. Highlight the market analysis title and change the title text color to black. How do we do that? I want this to be black. What should I do? Now you have gone through this 7 weeks of classes, right? So I want you to run this. Anyone can answer.
What's the question? Edit the text box.
Yeah, I want this market analysis to be black.
Font color to black.
Change the font color.
This font color, black. You need to first of all select it. Okay, this I'm selecting it. Highlight the text as well. Everything. Okay, highlight it and then change it to black. That got size style. So if I okay, now it is changed to black. Okay. So did you all manage to do it?
When we
And
download
from
the
where we need to
solution,
download this?
Oh, you haven't downloaded? Okay. Yeah,
No.
because when I said that, no one spoke. So have you all downloaded? Did it
No.
upload first of all?
after downloading, the map is not loading. Map and field map visuals are disabled.
Yeah. Because if you are not signed in, those will be disabled. So don't worry about it. Just go with the flow.
Okay.
Don't worry about that visual because you need to be signed in for that.
That's expected. Okay.
Let me know once everyone uploaded. Is everyone based in Auckland? Who is not based in Auckland?
Me, ma'am. Durga. I'm based in Tauranga.
Tauranga. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, just wanted to let you know we are running an event called Analytics Friday. This Friday, 21st of June. If you are free, then you can come and attend. If whoever is interested, you let me know. I'll send you the link for registration. It's a whole day event.
Where in which
in
place?
Queen Street, 350 Queen Street. It's the Otago University building.
Okay. Timing?
It's from 8 to 5. So
Full day event.
full day event. You will, I think there'll be 2 tracks, one on Fabric and AI, I think, and one will be Power BI. So data related. If
Okay.
you are,
Yeah.
if you are free
Could you
to
please
attend.
send? Could you please
Sure.
send to me?
Yeah, I will do that. Yeah.
Thank you.
So almost you are coming, right?
Indra, ma'am, please send me as well. I'll try to attend the.
Right. Okay. Sure.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Indra garu నాకు కూడా పంపించండి.
Okay. Shravanti, what's your
My
email?
work. My work 3106. My work 3106.
I work 3106.
Mm.
Maybe, yeah, we'll do that after. Otherwise, you send me an email. Then
Okay.
I can reply. Yeah, because I don't know what your email is. Yeah, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, did everyone open?
Yes.
Okay, and did everyone change this to market to black color?
Yeah, Indu, I did that,
Mm.
but map got disabled for me
Yeah, map. You need to be
because
signed
I'm
in.
not signed in. Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. No.
Okay, now let's do um what do you call a mobile layout? Okay, so let's go to view. Can you see mobile layout there?
Mm.
Here it is. Mobile layout. Okay. So for the mobile layout, you can auto create or you can place the visuals from here. Let's try auto create and see. Wait. Let's do the instructions.
Do we
Okay.
need to choose try it out or?
No, I just clicked out of it.
Okay, close that one.
Oh, to select try it out to continue and close out the pop-up window. Open introducing YouTube mobile only formatting. Okay, that's okay. Now from the page visuals, drag the market analysis. Okay, so now market analysis we need to drag and then resize, I think. See, this is the mobile layout view. Because mobile is in this size, right? So that's what we are trying to fit the visuals here. And then after market analysis, we will be doing snap to grid to turn them off. Okay.
How do you drag that is not visible, the previous one that goes in the page visual? Market
See this
analysis is
one.
from the page visuals.
Yeah, page
Okay,
visuals.
okay.
Yeah, from here. It was here for me. Okay. And market analysis. Okay, other visuals we need to remove. Let's go and remove them. Once you remove growth by, yeah, it comes back into this page visuals. So we can, okay, now in the view grid lines, yeah, we'll keep the grid lines, not a problem. Okay, now market share. Next one is market share and resize. Market share, after market share, it is growth by percentage one. So one by one beneath the other. So market share is first. So I'm going to go with market share and and then growth by manufacturer. Resize it so that it visible properly. And then revenue by year by manufacturer. Revenue by country, one by one. Okay. So scroll down. revenue by year by manufacturer. And then revenue by country. You may not be able to see this one, but yeah. Next one is revenue by country, revenue by year by manufacturer, similar to this one, and then save. That's it. Okay. So we want only that much. Okay. So now let's go and save the same file. Okay. Somebody's having their hand up. Oh. Okay, so now you have this one, and now you can come out of mobile layout. Okay, just click on mobile layout and you will be out of mobile layout. Okay, now
Now when we come back, we lost that 48.5% Van Nistel. That is not here anymore.
sorry.
From your
In the mobile layout, in the mobile layout.
When we switch from mobile layout to this normal layout, oh, this the first 48.55%.
Is there no?
The market share. It's for us. It's blank.
Yeah, for me too.
Okay. This one. It's gone blank.
This one it has gone blank.
Mm.
So can you click on that and then see whether there is Van Asdel market share here in the field section?
The data, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is it there?
Check. Yeah, it's ticked in. But the content is there or not there? Can I see the tabular view?
Can you share your screen? Oh, you are sharing it.
The content view is also the content is there. It's the date one.
No. Can you go? Yeah. Can you go to the and date market share is there. Last 7. Okay. Last 7 years calendar. Hold on. Maybe the filter must have changed. Just give me 1 minute. I will see what is there in my listing.
Can I give control?
No. No. 31/12/2023. Because you clicked on something, right? So
In the mobile view?
No. Growth percentage growth by manufacturer. No. Yeah, click on one of the things. Just click somewhere. Yeah. Now click again. Click. Yeah. You are selecting something.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay. Interactive. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Because of now see. Now it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When we select
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
That's good. Thank you.
Thank you.
This, yeah.
It's for all of us.
Now let me share. I think. Okay. Now what we are going to do is whoever has signed in can publish. Okay. So publish. How we publish? Okay. Now Power BI. We have done all the 50 visualizations, but we have to share, right? So why this is free is you can do all the visualizations without any cost. But when you are going to share with people, because in an organization, the analysis that you are doing you have to share with the business users, right? Whoever is going to use the analysis, you need to share with them. So for that, there is something called Power BI service, where we need to publish, because everything that we have done now is we have done it in our local machine, right? So we need to publish somewhere in the cloud so that the other people can see. So that is what we are going to do now. We are going to publish it into a public cloud, not public cloud, into something called Power BI service. That's what we call it, as Power BI service. So to do that, we have to publish. I think the instruction is publish only. Let's check. Yeah, publishing report. Yeah, if you don't have business email, that is the issue. Maybe you can, if you want to publish it, I think in the week 2, I have sent you the what Tanuja did, the blog, as to how to create an on Microsoft account. So follow those steps and then create a on Microsoft account, and then you can use that to sign in. And once you sign in, you can publish it. Okay. So for now, just have a look at what I am doing. So in order to publish, you can go to the home ribbon and then click on publish. Once you, oh, my this is not my this thing. I'm going to sign out, sign in with a different account. Okay, now I'm signed in. Now I'm going to publish. So once I publish, in whichever tenant that you have signed, you will see those workspaces. In Power BI service, there will be some workspaces that are allocated to us when you are working for a client. If there is no workspace created, then you will see just my workspace. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select my workspace and then publish that. So that is my workspace, and then I'm going to select that. So once I select it, it's publishing. It will take a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can ask. Okay, so now it's all published. Now I'm going to click on open DIAD panel report. So it is opening in what is called a service. Map and fill visuals are not enabled in my organization, so it's not showing me. Okay, so that is for that I need to go to admin settings and then enable it. So that's okay. Let's not worry about that. See, now this is published in a address called app.powerbi.com. So once you sign in, it will have 16 days of trial left, I think. Okay. So this is, I have uploaded it in my workspace. So here I mentioned about workspaces, right? So if I click on workspace, so this is my workspace, and that is Fabric workspace. So here I have two workspaces, and if I publish into my workspace, I will not be able to share it with others. It has to be a Fabric not Fabric workspace, some other workspace. It should not be a my workspace if you want to share with others. So for example, if I have this one, I have some other reports here. So I think I have this report. Yeah, can't think of anything. So then you can share that. So now here I have published a lot of reports here. So what was the report? Report file name? Yeah, DIAD, right? Okay, DIAD, if I say. So once you publish the report, notice how you have two here. Just now I have published. I have two items here. One is the report. The other one is called a semantic model. So what we have done now is we have published both semantic model and report. It gets published as such. So this one is just the model here. So whatever we have here, the data and the model will be there. There won't be a report. Report is here. So if you want to see the report, you need to click on this one, final report. So now you can see, right? And then you can see here as well the next page. So we have two pages. So the first one is what we have created here, and the other one is market share. Okay, so now let's go to instructions and see. I published it, signed in.
So sorry, Indu.
Hmm.
So for semantic model, we don't see the report at all, only the data.
Yeah, only the data.
And
Yes.
the modeling we can see the data model, but reports can be seen only in the report.
Yeah, the report part will be seen only in the report one. So for example, if I could show you my workspace, this space together. Okay, so here, if we look at here, it just gives you explore this data or share semantic model. These are the two options. Okay, you can't see it, but you can use this to analyze in Excel, explore this data within this. You can say auto create a report. So for example, you did not create a report, create this one. You did not create anything of these two pages. You did not create. Okay. Now, if you want to auto create a report, it suggests you with something. Takes a couple of minutes, and then it gives you the report, and then see you can view the report now. It has come up with something.
Okay.
Okay, it need not be. It may not be right, but it's up to you to make sure that it is right. Sometimes I think if you have ID columns particularly, what it does is it counts by IDs, which doesn't make sense, right? So that kind of stuff. So you need to make sure that it is making sense. I think this looks pretty good.
Also, if we publish in my workspace, we can't share to others, but if there is any workspace dedicated for a project, so
Yes.
multiple people can
Share.
publish in
Yeah,
that
as long as they have access to that particular workspace, then they can see it.
Okay.
Now next options, I'm just trying to see. Okay, I have already one lake data hub create. Okay. Let's maybe I'll just go through whatever is there in here. Yeah, okay. So I'm just here. If you click on create, you can create. No, I don't want to save it. So you can create your first report or report. So if you click on create while being in while being in Power BI here, you can create a report. Okay, and then you are basically following what we have done in the last 6 weeks. So you can get data from Excel file, or you can even pick a published semantic model, which we have already published, right? We just now published. You can pick that and then create another view of the same data. You can click on that and then say you can you can do a US sales version of the report, or you can do a Australia sales version of the report with some other dimensions and measures. So that kind of stuff you can do that. Okay, that is the use of create. You go home, then you will have the recent ones and recommended and things like that. And this OneLake Data Hub, this is mainly all the data that you have put in your OneLake. There is something called OneLake. It is like you have this drive, Google Drive you have, right? Google Drive you can share, or you can save all kinds of documents, right? So similarly, you can save all kinds of files, um, which are your sources for your Power BI. So that is called OneLake. You can save, for example, your Excel files that I have shared with you. You can save that in OneLake, and then use that to create your report. So that kind of stuff. So that is what OneLake Data Hub is. And we have already seen what workspaces are. And my workspace is the default workspace that you have. If your organization haven't created workspaces at all. And here these are the recent ones that we have. This has that it gives you the recent ones. So I can close that, and then yeah, you will not have much. Okay. Now each workspace that you create, that you have, in each of the workspaces except my workspace, you don't have my workspace, you don't have create app. Whereas if you go to let's say this workspace, see, there is, because I have already created an app, it says update app. Otherwise, if you are creating app for the first time, it shows you as the update app. So there is a difference between between a workspace and a app. Workspace holds all these kind of data, semantic models, and reports, whereas apps, if you look at apps, this is the Fabric Workspace app that I have created. If I look into that, you can see the reports that you share with the app. So you can share it like this is something that I have shared earlier. But when I go back here, into the workspace, into this workspace, and if I try and publish to app, then it's going to update that. So maybe I'll just say, well, see this report. If I go and I need to publish somewhere Excel data. Yeah, so include in the app. So then, because this is included in the app, this is what is showing here when we create that. So like that, you can share with your customers only the app, not the workspace, because workspace you have a lot of other things. So best way to share with the customers is using the apps. So that is a brief about these ones, the navigation pane. And this is also interface for something called Microsoft Fabric. How many of you have heard of Microsoft Fabric? No one have heard. Okay. So Microsoft Fabric is a new thing which Microsoft has done, where you can, from this interface itself, you can create a lot of other workloads like data engineering workloads, data science workloads, data warehousing workloads, everything you can do from here. So Power BI is one of them. Okay. So Data Factory, you can use industry solutions. There are some templates for industry solutions. You can start with creating the industry solutions using those industry solutions, or you can even do real-time intelligence. So all these. So that's why this is called Microsoft Fabric. And now Power BI has become part of Microsoft Fabric. Okay. So that is what I wanted to take you through. Let's see what is happening in. And also, if you want to create a new workspace, you need to have rights to create workspace. Only then, and maybe I'll take you through a bit of licensing as well. Let's see first. So to create a workspace dialog box, select upload. Okay, so let's, I don't know whether you, most of you don't have Power BI service, right? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how to create a workspace and then change the image for that. Okay. I'm going to go into workspaces and then new workspace. I'll just say DIAD. So something. And then here I can upload a workspace image, which is, I don't want Fabric, I want data. And then Van Aspen. Is it uploaded? Okay, so now I have uploaded, and then if I apply it, see here you can see create app. Okay, so this is if I go workspaces, see now it is showing the logo here, whatever we have uploaded. Okay, let's go here again and yeah, now we can publish. It's the publish from the Power BI desktop. Okay. Yeah, we have already published this part. We have already seen. So yeah, we have taken care of this one, semantic model and report, building a dashboard. Okay, now a lot of people think that doing reports in Power BI is what is called a dashboard, but it's not that is not the case. Okay, here we have created a report in Power BI desktop. We can create dashboards only in Power BI service and not in Power BI desktop. And what is a dashboard? Dashboard means, just trying to go there. Okay. Dashboard means, let me go back to my workspace here. And what did we call? Yeah, okay. Here, this is called a report, okay? And a dashboard means you can create a dashboard using here only in Power BI service. You cannot do that in Power BI desktop because dashboard means you can attach things from different visuals. So if you go here, new dashboard, and then I'll just say DIAD dashboard, and then create it. Now here, what I can do is I can get the other visuals into this dashboard. So for example, if I go in here and then open the DIAD final report, and here you see, no, I don't want this one. So I will say, I want to see this visual, okay? Here, pin. Not on the desktop, but here. There is a pin visual here. So if you click on pin visual, then it will give you pin to dashboard. So here I can say existing dashboard, and this is the dashboard I have created, which we have seen, DIAD dashboard. So if I pin that, then you can create the mobile layout as well. For now, let's see it in dashboard. So this has only the visual that we have pinned. And in this visual, you can pin from other page as well. So because in this report, we have other page, right? So from here also, maybe you can pin this visual to DIAD dashboard. So if we go to that dashboard, see this one. So you can combine visuals from other report. You can also do one more thing. Let us follow the guidelines. So you can pin the whole page as well. Yeah, because I'm not able to see map, so I'm not going to do the map. So yeah, here also we can create a new dashboard and then give a name, or you can create a dashboard like how I showed you as well. And then you can go into that dashboard. We have all seen this one existing, and then yeah, you can pin whatever visuals that you want. Okay, so we have done that. And organize the dashboard.
Indu,
Mm-hmm.
can we pin the slicers and make the visuals interactive in dashboard as well? Same like report?
Slicers, no, slicers you can't pin. I think, hold on. Let me check whether, see here. See, there is no pin
Hmm.
in the slicer, so you can't pin the slicers because it can't be interactive.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what, because your visuals you are getting from somewhere else, right? So you are combining this and this, and sometimes it may not make sense also. If you have two unrelated things in the dashboard, then you can't make that interactive, right? So that's why.
Okay.
That's a good question. Okay, now let's go back and see what we have left. Tiles, yeah, you can drag in tiles. These are called tiles. And then you can change the, where is our dashboard? If you go here, these are called, each one is called a tile. And when you click on that tile, it goes back to the report that it was created. Because it was created from here, right? So it comes back to that. Okay, so if you want to edit, then you need to edit it like this. Add a tile, or yeah, if you want to, so for example, if you want to move it, you have to make sure you're moving it. See, you can see the corner like that. If you hover over it, you can see the corner, and that's how you can adjust it. Again, lab 4, edit, drop down, edit tile. Okay, let's select image as source. See this. Okay. Yeah, if we want to select an image, let's go add a tile and then go to image, then next, and title is Van Astel image. I don't want any subtitle. I'm just going to go to URL and then apply. See, now it has come up with this one. So we can resize it and then drag it somewhere and then try and adjust it. I haven't added all the visuals, but yeah, that you have the idea, right? So you can format it like that. So, and there is a okay. Now, one more thing that I wanted to show you is there is something called ask a question. You must have noticed. About your data. So, for example, yeah, so it is suggesting once you click on that, it is suggesting top regions by sale, top sale countries by Van Astel market share. So if I click on that, see, it is automatically generating. And it is also suggesting what kind of questions you can answer based on the data that is happening. This is also one of the AI visuals. And then if you want to include this visual, just pin visual. And then go to the same DIAD dashboard, and then you can pin it. And then you can go to the dashboard. Now see, I have added this one. Just ask a question, and then you can do that. So that is what this is saying. Van Astel market share by country as tree map. Yeah, so okay, so I am going to ask another question. Van Astel.
Indu, we don't have this ask a question feature in desktop.
Ask a question feature. No, it is not there in desktop. It is there.
Only the dashboard.
Yeah, only on the dashboard. Yeah. And also when you try and edit the report, then
Mhm.
it will have the that one. It will have ask a question. I'll show you that even in
Okay.
the reporting service, but not in this one. So Van Astel, what was the question? Van Astel market share. Okay, let me copy this one. Bit lazy today. Okay. Okay, so as a tree map, if I give that, see this one comes, and then you can pin that in the existing report. See, you can see that. So that is what this is. Yeah, I have pinned it. So whatever you select, it will navigate you back to the report. Okay, now let's generate insights. Okay, so revenue by manufacturer. So if you generate insights, what will happen is okay. See, there is a dot 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 here. It will appear for every visual when you hover over it. So click on the dot 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 and then go and view insights. Click on view insights. Then it is searching for insights related to revenue by manufacturer year. And see, now it is creating insights. So if you like anything from here, you can add that also to the visual. The revenue by manufacturer have noticeably more revenue for category rural. So there is a combination of for this is revenue for segment, and there is units and revenue correlation. So all these kind of things are being suggested by the for the user. So if you want, you can pin this visual as well. So for example, bar and revenue, I don't think that makes something meaningful. But if you go, revenue is trending upwards by year, which we have already seen. Sales and revenue, what is the correlation between sales and revenue? And if you go, what I like about this one is, I think there was one which I liked, and top competitors. So it by sale, by revenue, by manufacturer. I liked one thing. Yeah, correlation between units and revenue. So I can pin that if you want. So that is the insights that I can get. So insights, yeah, we have all whatever visuals that you want to pin, you can pin, and then yeah, because that happens in focus mode just for that visual, because you can view insights only for that visual. So you need to exit the focus mode, which I have done already. And for dashboards, you can create some alerts as well. So for example, if the um, above, if the let's say if the market share goes above 75%, give me an alert. Or if the market share goes below 30%, give me an alert. So that kind of alert rule you can use, and then you can save and close. You can add above or below threshold, and then you can close it. So that one, if I go here, that is based on, again, a visual. So for example, I don't have okay, let us try this one. More options, and then This doesn't have manage alerts. Yeah, manage alerts will have only for some of the visuals. And I think we should have I'll go add tile, and from the screen, I will add a tile from here and add the same tile in visual. Was this the one? I think this one, right? In visual. Now if I click on this visual, yeah. See, now you can see manage alerts. We were not able to see other this thing. So now you can add a alert rule saying what is the what should be the market share maximum, and what is the notification frequency. Do you want it daily? Do you want it hourly? Something like that. And what is the above threshold is 48%. So if, for example, if I say much is that? Let's go below. Okay, let's say above 48%. Let's leave it like that. Send me an email. So what it will do is it will send me an email if I select it like that. Okay, it goes above only, then it will. Okay, let's go again. I will say 46, so that it sends me an alert. Okay. So like that, you can make it send you alerts while that is sending. Don't save it. Said okay. I can remove the alert, so don't worry. Now, okay, drill through. Within the revenue, okay, select the market share. Okay, I think this was configured for drill through. Market share card visual. To drill through a manufacturer. Okay, let's go here. Market share card visual. Okay, this is the one, and then matrix visual. I think we need to go navigate to the report. Okay, so here if we go, should go by manufacturer, right? You see, drill down again. Within the revenue by country and state. Revenue by country and state, ensure it is at the country level. Okay. Revenue by country by state. Revenue by country. Revenue by country and state. Map visual. Okay, so because our map is not working, so here I can show maybe. If I go here, see, if I go here, right click, and there is a drill through that has been configured in the in this report. So what this drill through is doing is for Australia, because I chose Australia, it's going to go to the by manufacturer here, and then it is going to get only Australia data. See, now you can see only Australia. The amount has reduced, right? 29. And then you can see Australia. This is only Australia because I've chosen only Australia. See, this bar also is showing only Australia. Okay, so that you can define the drill through as well here. Yeah. And here you can add personal bookmarks as well. So I'll show you that one, and then I think that we can close the.
Sorry, Indu.
Yeah.
Are we finishing today?
Yeah. I think we can finish today
Okay.
because this is the last lab. That's why I'm continuing. We have only
Okay.
very few. Yeah. And
Okay. Yeah.
in the service, you can also add personal bookmarks under the code section. Okay, so personal bookmarks. See here, this is a bookmark icon. So here you can add a personal bookmark. So for example, if you want to see only Van Astel, because you are the account manager for Van Astel, so you can add that as a personal bookmark and then save it as Van Astel and just saving it, so that will be the default view for you. You can click on that, and then whenever you open this report, it will be the default view for you. Okay, so I'm just not adding that at this stage, so but you can do that. Okay, yeah, we have already seen. Okay, we'll just go quick insights, and we have auto created the report, but we haven't seen the quick insights. Let's go and see the quick insights. So let's go to my workspace and then DIAD. And here from the report, this is the report, right? So you can see quick insights as well. The other ones that we saw insights was based on the visual from the dashboard. So this is searching for insights from the entire report. That one was only for one visual. Then that is created. So these are the visuals that has been created by count of distinct by state. So how many count of how many districts are there by state? This is an additional one which we wouldn't have been thinking. This does it make sense? Yeah, because we have top competitors, we have created a group, right? Remember? So top competitors versus Van Astel, it is giving an insight. So these are all the insights that you can get, and then you can pin those into your dashboard. Okay, also if you want to go focus mode, you can go focus mode here. So that's quick insights, and storytelling. Yeah, copy link, and then you can create a blank presentation in your PowerPoint. Okay. So if you want to share your report in PowerPoint, again, they also need to have pro license. How you can do is you can export to PowerPoint embed live data so that it is interactive. So I'm just going to go export and open in PowerPoint. Open links, allow, and then open. So it will create a new PowerPoint and then it will export only that page where we are in. See, now this is interactive as well. So for example, if I go and click on this one, this is interactive. Because we have only Van Astel, others is giving blank. Think. Where is Van Astel? Yeah. Van Astel is 100% market share. Okay, and yeah, so and also if you want to just export one to tile, I think that also you can do. So one last one and then we'll finish. So for example, if you want to, I think this one. Yeah, open in PowerPoint. So that will also create another, you can just export one visual in PowerPoint. That will also create another PowerPoint slide. So that is, yeah, see this one. You can explain, you have all the legend. Mostly you will have, and this is live data. So whenever it refreshes, automatically it refreshes. I think that's all for today. Yeah, we have finished lab 4. So let me see what lab 5 is. Just collaboration. Yeah, we have already seen collaboration. So collaboration is nothing but sharing. So yeah. So that is the entire course. So next steps for you is you can maybe use open data that is available and then create some visualizations and start playing around with Power BI. And if you have any questions, you can always feel free to email me or contact me. Yeah, so that is end of the course. Maybe if you
Thank you
all
so
can,
much, Indu. Thank
if you are in a
Thank you so
position
much,
to,
Hindu
that's
garu.
okay, no worries. If you all can come on camera, maybe we can take a picture. And stop recording.
My camera is not opening up.
Working.